These just came out of the oven, but we're not done yet. Can't wait to show you, so keep watching. Hi everybody, I'm excited about this one. I can't touch my pan because I have tater tots that I just took out of the oven. So it was just a frozen bag of tater tots and I cooked them up. Over here on the chair that you can't see, I have everything prepped up that I'm going to put on top. I'm going to make nacho tots. Yum. So let's go. First, this morning I browned up some ground beef and I used, instead of just regular taco seasoning, I used the street taco seasoning. And this one has onion, jalapeno, and cilantro. So I'm going to add a little bit of this. I might have prepped up a little bit too much stuff as usual, but that's okay. Maybe I can make something else with the leftovers. So I'm just going to add all the ground beef, maybe not all of it, but add ground beef. And then we will add, I have some of this Gordo's cheese dip. I love this stuff. Let's see if I can drizzle this on. Oh my gosh. I could drink this with a straw. It's like that cheese sauce that you get from the restaurants. It's so good. Make sure I get it all over every tot. No tot left without cheese. Okay, there we go. And then I'm going to leave the lid here to hold my spoon. And next I have some onion already chopped up. And I will never chop onion on camera. Oh my gosh, these always make me cry. And I don't want you to see that. So I have some, and this was leftover red onion too, so I already had that. And I still have some left over. I chopped up some Roma tomato. Any tomato would be fine. I just usually use Roma. And then a little bit of jalapeno. It's all sticking to me. Then I have some green onion. And that's sticking to me too. Get on there. Gotta have fun. Alright, and then of course, I have to have shredded cheese. And this one is the Colby Jack and the Pepper Jack. And I shredded them both and mixed them up. Everything is sticking to me. And of course, I'm going to try to cover every little bit of it with this too, because I love cheese. Alright, and then the oven is already heated because I had the tater tots in there, and it's at 400, but everything just needs to be heated through, so it shouldn't take too long. Alright, I'm almost ready for my bite. Almost. I have 2 more things to add. First, I put a little bit of sour cream in this bottle and diluted it a little bit with some water just to make it drizzle. And then we have a little bit of shredded, I was going to say shredded cheese. Lettuce. This is lettuce. Shredded lettuce. I told you I love cheese. I'll put more cheese on this if you want me to. Okay, now I'm ready for my bite. Now I gotta find all the tater tots. Oh, they're all stuck together with all the cheese. That's okay. I'll work around it. Mmm. That is so good.